Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. So in this video, I'll be doing a video playback battery drain test in the Realme X2 Pro. So I'll be using the MX player as a media player right now in this video. So let me show you what variant I'm using in this video, guys. So if you're new to my channel, subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru. I'll be posting a lot of comparison videos and tips and tricks on a lot of other smartphones. As you can see here, the Snapdragon 855 Plus and 8GB RAM and 128GB variant. So I've downloaded the 1080p video resolution. So I'll be playing in a loop the video for about until the battery gets completely drained. Right now the battery is of 100%. So we'll get to know how long can you play the video in the MX player. So during this test I'll be turning off the Wi-Fi, mobile data and other settings, and I'll be using only with the 50% of the brightness, as you can see, not with the 100%. And I'll be using earphones connected to the phone. So this is an animated video which I'll be playing in a loop continuously. So as you can see, let me show you the properties of the video. So 1080p resolution, as you can see here, and 30 frames. So this is a perfect resolution for the most of the HD movies to watch in the offline in this smartphone. So I connected the earphones, and let me start the stopwatch in my Huawei Wine & Prime device. So it is the stopwatch has begin. So right now with the 100% using earphones connected, let me show you what volume I'm using. I'm using the volume at 60% and brightness at 50%. So overall, these are the settings I'll be continuing to watch this video in this Realme X2 Pro device. So again, I'll be back after a few hours, and let's check how much the battery drain will be there in the Realme X2 Pro device. So with just half an hour of charging the Realme X2 Pro device, we'll get to know how many hours you can play the HD videos in the Realme X2 Pro offline with the 50% of brightness and 60% of volume with the earphones connected. So I'm trying to play the animated video because it consumes a little bit of more battery because of the extra colors and saturation. So that's why I choose this kind of video to play in the continuously loop. So again, we'll be back after a few hours, guys. So as you can see here, friends, after exactly 12 hours of playing continuously 1080p video in the Realme X2 Pro, so let's check what is the battery percentage, how much it reached right now. So as you can see here, right now it's 17%. So for 2 hours, guys, continuously I played the video here. So let me show you the battery and screen on time, as you can see here. So 12 hours and 9 minutes. So right now the 17%. So overall you can expect up to 15 hours of video playback in the Realme X2 Pro device, guys. So this is very good. Only with the 30 minutes of charging in the Realme X2 Pro device, you can get 15 hours of continuous video playback, guys, in the Realme X2 Pro device. So that's it, guys. It's a quick test on the video playback test in the Realme X2 Pro. So this battery life may vary if you're playing the high resolution videos like 4K or 2K videos in the device continuously for longer time. Even depending on the brightness you're using and type of like earphones or how much volume and the mobile data turning on or not. So depending on all these statistics, overall you can get up to 15 hours of video playback in the Realme X2 Pro. Even with the brightness, sometimes you may use with the full brightness, sometimes with the less brightness. So depending on your usage, guys. So but overall you can expect up to 15 hours of video playback is possible in the Realme X2 Pro device. So for more interesting test and comparison videos, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru. So stay tuned, guys, for more videos. See you in the next video. Bye.